Managed to restore clock bezel. I was not sure what was the actual color originally made back in 1930s with the brown wood finish. I thought chrome painting or chrome finish would look good, so I got this chrome spray and sprayed on top of the metal clock bezel. So I gave a good 80 grit sandpaper sanding, then finished off with 100, then sprayed in and out of the bezel and the bezel seal. So it did not give me a shine. It looked like an aluminium finish. This is the closest finish I could get. I will show you after fixing this in the clock case, and let's see, but this has done a decent job and it's cheap to fix. Not bad after all. Yeah, keep watching the videos. Thanks.